Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. After a long time, I'm going to make some videos on English language because I was so busy to make some plus arithmetic and Nepali and Hindi tutorials. Finally, I came back to the English tutorial. Let's talk about addition and subtraction. I posted all plus techniques of addition and subtraction within 18 episodes. Please check my playlist to get that. Let's do some more episodes on plus techniques. After that, I will teach you minus techniques of addition and subtraction. So today's episode is 3 digits, 5 column addition and subtraction. So I'm not going to teach any techniques here. I'm just going to do exercises to move on next level. So here is your first question on your screen. Here I have to say, please do not comment on my English language because this is not my mother tongue. My grammar, my pronunciations not so perfect, so please do not comment any bad comment, okay? So sorry for that. I'm trying to improve my English language, but it's not happening. It's not easy. And in this channel, I have one information for you. In this channel, you can watch my episodes in 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi, Japanese, and flash arithmetics, and last one is silent abacus tutorial also. So please check that, okay? So let's start. First, 913. So this is your marked out: 1st place, 10th place, 100th place, and only 3 digits we are going to use, but while we are going to add and subtract on the abacus, we have to use till this rod, thousands place, okay? Let's start. 913. This is 9, 1 and 3. So we are not going to say 913. So we have to say 913 because we don't have so much time to say whole things 913, 925 or 1913. We don't have so much time while doing test of abacus, okay? We have to practice on that also. Next is 564. 5 on 100th place, so you have to reduce 500 and borrow 1000, and 6 on 10th place, 6, and 4 you have to borrow this 5. Next is 872. 800 on 100th rod, so we have only 500, you have to borrow this 1000, so reduce to borrow this for 800. And for 7 you have to apply 3 steps addition. This is 3-step addition. We added 70 here and 2 is here. Next, 659. So 6 you can add easily. This is 5 and 9. So we have to borrow this 1000 to add 9 on 1's place. So first reduce 1, reduce all 10's place, reduce all from 100th place and borrow this 1000. This is the crazy rules of abacus. And last one is 719. So 7, 9 and 0. And this is your answer: 3, 7, 9 and 8. How is going now? Let's do one more question. 587. 587. 962. For 9, we have only 4 bits on 100th place, so we have to apply 3 steps addition. So 4, add 4, reduce 5 and borrow this one. This is 900. And for 6 you have to apply 4 steps addition. So add 1, reduce this 5 and borrow this 5 and reduce all these 4 from 100th place. We added 60 and 2 you can add easily here. Minus 310, you have to reduce 300 from 100th place. We have 500 here, so add 2, reduce 500 and 1 and 0, 10. Reduce 794. To reduce 7, but we have only 200, so you have to borrow this 1000. So we have to apply 3 steps subtraction here. So this one we reduced 700, and for 90 you have to borrow this 500 because we have only 3 here on 10th rod. So to reduce 90, 9 from 10th rod, you have to do add 4, reduce this 5 and add this 1 on the tens place. We reduce 90 and last one is 4. So reduce 4 like this. You have to add 8 on 100th place. So reduce 2 and borrow this 1 and 0 and 3. And your answer is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Let's do one more question, okay? 480. 317. To add 3, borrow 5 and 1 and 7. 209. 2 is easily 0 and 9. You have to borrow this 1000 because we have only 2 here and all the bits from tens and 100th place are moved. So you have to borrow this 1000. So reduce 1 and this one and this one. Okay. 982. 982. 541. To add 500, reduce 500, borrow 1000 and 4 reduce 6 and this one 4 steps. Okay, and this is 1 and your answer is 2, 5, 2 and 9. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to comment me, but you can't comment on this video because all the video I'm going to set for kids. You can comment or you can directly message me through the Facebook page. Please check the link inside my description box. You can get the link from there. And do not comment on my English language, and if you need some more exercises I will provide, just message me, okay? And on the screen here is some questions for your homeworks. Please try to do that, and if you have any trouble, please consult me, okay? And see you in the next episode. Keep watching. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, please. Thank you. Tata.